In this video, I want to talk to you about total productive maintenance. I first actually saw this on a Hensel Phelps job. They would take a picture of the equipment and put it in a folder with the maintenance information. And then when I learned more about Toyota and what's called total productive maintenance, where they don't wait for something to break down, they prevent it from breaking down so it doesn't become a bottleneck, I learned about these boards where literally you can have the equipment, image, and model types, and then the checklist for how to inspect and maintain them, any of your KPIs and responsible parties, but the most important thing for me is the current month's maintenance requirements so you stay ahead of it. I've actually done this before, a silly story, but I used to wire pivots in Texas once I left Hensel Phelps the first time, and I moved Kate back to where her family lived near Wichita Falls, and their equipment, I would always be ahead of the maintenance. They thought I was crazy, but like on a typical truck, you think, oh, it's the oil and it's the tires or the brakes. There's 3 things. No, there's 18 things. And you got to stay out ahead of them according to the operating, the owner's manual, the operating manual, in order to have what's called total productive maintenance, which means we don't let it break down. We're always out ahead. So these boards can be phenomenal for a trade partner or a general contracting team to make sure that it's never, oh, the forklift is down, we've lost a day of production. So check out the visual. It'll be in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. On we go.